Can I prepare for the CAT examination in 6 months? Or can I prepare for the CAT examination in 8 months, 9 months, or even 3 months? Now guys, if you are someone who's planning to prepare for the MBA entrance examination, maybe CAT, ZAT, or any other examination, then trust me guys, this video is going to answer all your questions. The first point is, whatever time you have, let's say you have 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, you need to divide it into 3 parts. The first part is where you will be going through all the topics of quant, verbal, logical reasoning, data interpretation. Of course, general awareness. You need to keep yourself updated what is happening around the world. There is no way running out of it. Maybe you do not have that section, but in interview you will be asked questions on that. So the first part, you divide your prep into 3 parts depending upon how much time you have. The first part is going into understanding the basics and the topics, going through everything. The second part, let's say you have 6 months, so first 2 months is for the basics. The second part, the next 2 months, you're going to focus on your strength. You're going to focus on those topics which you can attempt in the examination. It means you guys are going to invest whatever time you have based on the examination on those type of questions, and you're going to practice that. You're going to strengthen your strength, right? And you will try to work on your weakness. Maybe some of the other question might click in the examination. And the last part is basically practicing what you have learned. It is attempting mocks, analyzing mocks, changing the strategies, planning the strategies, and executing in the examination. So guys, yes, in 6 months you guys can prepare for the MBA entrance examination, but then you need proper guidance. You need to focus on the topics which you're going to invest time in the examination. Let's take example of CAT exam. In CAT examination, you got 40 minutes for each section. You got 22 questions in quant, 22 questions in DLR, and you got 24 questions in verbal. So based on what your strength is, whatever your speed is, try to target the percentile. And of course, you know what score is required to get a certain percentile in that section. For example, to get more than 95 percentile in verbal, you should be around 32-33 marks out of 72. To get around 95 percentile in quant section out of 66, because each question carries 3 marks, 22 questions into 366, you need to get around 18 questions, 18 marks, not questions, 18 marks. And similarly in DILR, 18 marks out of 66, because again you got 66 marks maximum there, 22 questions. In SNAP examination, the story is different. You need to target at least 40 plus marks. So based on these examinations, you plan accordingly and you divide your prep into 3 parts. First part, going through the topics, getting the basics done. Second part, focusing on the strengths, understanding your weaknesses, acknowledging it. Third part, making a plan of action, attempting mocks, and attempting the exam. At Ask MBA, we're going to do each and everything for you. We are going to train you. We're going to groom you. Make sure that you get in touch with us. Thank you and stay blessed.